The Lord be with you. Good everyone. We are now on the 17th week, Monday. And our gospel will be coming from St. Matthew chapter 13 verses 31 to 35. The gospel is all about the parable of the mustard seed. It is likened to the kingdom of God, wherein it may be the smallest, but when it grows, it will become one of the biggest shrubs where even the birds can take their nest. I always believe on this, which I learned from my fitness journey. A small progress is still a progress. As long as we are moving forward and there is change that is happening on us in our own time, in our own pace, then it will still be all right. Because if God can be patient on us, then we should also be patient with ourselves. Because we cannot always compare the changes that happened in us on the changes that happened on others. We need to be patient. And sometimes that's the source of many stresses that happened in us. When we keep on being disappointed simply because there is little progress that happened in our lives. That is the same with our faith. As long as we are moving forward, just like the seed of the mustard, the growth that will take place in us will always matter, no matter how small it is. The Lord will be patient with us, the Lord will wait for us, and the Lord will always be giving us the opportunity to grow one day at a time. God bless.